Guys, listen to this. I was shocked when I realized how many people are overpaying for travel cards in 2026. If you are paying $695 for the Amex Platinum without using its coupons, you are literally throwing money away. The Venture X effectively pays you $5 a year to own it, and most people still don't get the math right. Today we break down the 2026 business model, the portal trap you must avoid, and why I recommend this over the Chase Sapphire Reserve. It feels like a silent epidemic of wasted money, a subscription people forget to cancel. In my opinion, Amex Platinum's ridiculous coupon book fees only work if you micromanage every credit. Otherwise, you are literally throwing money away. The Venture X, on the other hand, starts with a $395 annual fee, but it effectively pays you $5 a year to own it. Capital One is playing the long game. The benefits are a customer acquisition tool, subsidized by marketing, not just your fees. You get lounge access, substantial credits, and strong points you can transfer for outsized redemptions. This is my informed opinion after years of analysis, but do your own research. We will break down the numbers so simply you'll wonder why you ever saw it differently. I will also show you the portal trap, why it looks like a deal when it isn't. Then we go head-to-head against American Express and Chase. The generous perks are a carefully crafted welcome mat to pull you into the ecosystem. Smart travelers look beyond the fee and do the simple math. For now, you get to be the beneficiary of that investment. So, what exactly is the Capital One Venture X? A premium travel rewards card built to compete and win in 2026. It's designed for modern travelers earning flexible miles you can deploy for flights and hotels. Now let's do the math most people miss. You pay Capital One a $395 annual fee. In return, you immediately get a $300 annual travel credit. It's easy to use. Book a flight, book a hotel, or book a rental car through the portal. That effectively reduces your net cost to $95. Plus, you get 10,000 miles every card anniversary. Those miles are worth at least $100 in the portal, often more with transfers. So the $395 fee is fully offset. Your net cost is negative $5. That's how the Venture X can literally pay you to keep it in your wallet. Now, stack perks. Unlimited Capital One lounge access for you and 2 guests, plus Priority Pass. A single lounge visit can cost $50–$70 per person if paid out of pocket. 2 lounge visits with a companion conservatively saves about $200. Add the global entry or TSA pre-check credit worth about $100 every few years. Suddenly, your negative cost card is delivering surplus value. Reason 1, fee aversion. People anchor on the $395 number and shut down. Reason 2, they don't assign real dollar value to perks they use. They enjoy the lounge but forget that's $50 saved. Quantify what you'd otherwise spend, and the value becomes impossible to ignore. That is the mental shift that makes this card so powerful. It's a premium travel rewards card, strong earn rates, lounge access, and transferable miles. Yes, the $395 fee causes sticker shock, but it's a gateway to valuable, easy-to-use benefits. And remember, Capital One is using this as a magnet to win premium customers from entrenched rivals. In my opinion, this strategy lets them deliver value that seems almost too good to be true. Look beyond the fee and do the math. Next, the portal trap. How banks nudge you to overpay without noticing. We'll keep this SEC compliant with clear math and reputable sources. The mistake I made early on? I blindly booked through portals without comparing cash prices. Let's fix that forever. Time to learn the rule that protects your wallet. Stay with me. The trap is set when a bank nudges you to book exclusively through its travel portal. They dangle extra points, discounts, and convenience. Venture X's $300 travel credit must be used in the portal. The snap happens when you assume the portal price is always lowest. Portal lists a room at $250 per night. Hotel's own site lists the same room for $220. Book the portal. Pay $30 more. Extra points rarely offset that cash overpayment. Bank wins on commission. You lose real value. Always compare portal, airline site, hotel site, and one OTA aggregator. 2 minutes of price checks can save hundreds per year. Use the portal when you must, especially to use the $300 credit. Don't let a few extra points trick you into overpaying. Be smarter than the trap. Now, the business model that makes all of this possible. My favorite feature remains the card's simple math, but here's why the bank loves it too. The Venture X functions as a sophisticated customer acquisition tool. Think of the perks as funded by marketing budgets, not just annual fees and swipe revenue. If you move your primary spend and maybe savings or investments, the math works for the bank. Once embedded in their ecosystem, switching gets harder over time. Great news. Competitors fight to outdo each other with better rewards and benefits. But generosity isn't guaranteed. Benefits and fees can change as strategies evolve. Reevaluate the card annually as terms and the market change. And now, let's compare philosophies. Coupon book versus simplicity. I was shocked when I saw how many people fail to use half their platinum credits. The Amex Platinum boasts tons of perks, but with a towering $695 fee and a thick coupon book feel. Airline incidental only on one airline, Uber credits monthly with no rollover, Saks split into 2 6-month windows. This complexity creates benefit friction and missed value. Venture X shines with one easy $300 credit through the portal. Chase Sapphire Reserve typically runs $550 with a $300 travel credit and 50% portal redemptions. Chase has strong partners like United and Hyatt, but Capital One has rapidly expanded to close the gap. Apple Card, great for no-fee cash back, but no lounges, no travel credits, no transfer partners. 2 lounge visits with Venture X likely beat a year of typical Apple Card cash back. We share elite money hacks every Thursday here on CardVantage. If you don't subscribe, you'll keep missing out on strategies that save you thousands on travel. Use logic. Not subscribing means losing access to SEC-compliant card news and point valuation updates. Hit subscribe now so you don't lose another point to the banks. Next, the simple, repeatable strategy to win. My favorite feature is how the $300 credit and 10,000 miles make the net math brain-dead simple. Let's execute. First, activate and use the $300 annual travel credit early in your card member year. Plan 1 flight and 1 hotel via the portal so you never forget the credit. Don't wait until the last minute. Second, make lounge visits a routine, not a luxury. Free meals, drinks, and Wi-Fi can save hundreds a year. Access covers you and up to 2 guests. Third, study transfer partners. Earning is easy. Redeeming wisely is an art. International business class or luxury hotels can yield 2 to 5 cents per mile. Use resources like NerdWallet and the Points Guy. Beyond your $300 credit, always compare portal prices with direct cash prices. It takes a minute and prevents overpaying. Track benefits you've used so you can do an annual value review. Confirm the card is still overwhelmingly positive for you. The mistake I made was not tracking, so I built a 1-page checklist. Finally, let's cover downsides and a real-world example. Risks. Banks can change terms anytime. Fees can rise, benefits can be nerfed, partners and lounge rules can shift. Treat cards as annual contracts, reevaluate yearly. If you rarely travel or don't value lounges, a no-fee cashback card might fit you better. In my first year, I paid $395, used the $300 credit on a Miami flight I'd already planned, and visited lounges 4 times with a guest, valuing that at $400. I also transferred 100,000 miles to book a business class seat worth over $4,000. Even ignoring that redemption, Credit Plus lounges covered the fee. Final opinion, in 2026, Venture X remains one of the best all-around premium travel cards. Simple, high value, low effective cost. Be wary of the portal trap, read the fine print, and actively use what you pay for. Sources include Capital One's 2026 terms, NerdWallet, and the Points Guy. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Make decisions based on your own situation and research.